Welcome back to GW Ignite. In this tutorial, we will explore how to effectively review and manage grades for your class. Let's get started. The Ready to Grade indicator on your Classes tab shows the number of assignments that need your attention. This includes submitted work requiring manual grading and any overdue work not submitted by the deadline. There are two ways to find these assignments. Click the Ready to Grade number. This will directly display the assignments. Or go to the Assignments tab and select the Needs Manual Grading tab. From here, you can click View to preview the assignment. Click Grade Review to grade the student work. Clicking Grade Review opens the Grade Review summary page where you can edit assignment setting for an individual student or for the entire class, manage grades, and provide feedback. The assignment column displays the number of assignments for an activity. Hovering over the assignment number will allow you to edit the assignment settings for the specific student or for the entire class. You can also edit assignment settings for one or multiple students by selecting the checkbox next to the student's attempt and clicking the Edit button in the upper right-hand corner. Click the top checkbox to select all. In the Edit Assignment page, you can adjust the status, start and end date, reporting and grade settings, and student instructions. You can also manually delete, submit, or unsubmit the assignment for individual students or for the class. Next to the assignment column, you will find the start date, due date, type, individual or group assignment, and student's name. Assignment status provides information on the visibility and completion state for each student. The different statuses include locked, which indicates the student cannot access or view the assignment until the start date. Not started means that the student can begin the assignment but hasn't started it yet. Started refers to when the student has accessed the assignment but hasn't submitted their work. Closed indicates that the assignment is either past the due date or submitted and waiting manual grading. Graded demonstrates that the assignment has been graded and will be included in the reports. The student status shows the student progress, not started, started, or submitted. The submitted column displays the date and time of submission. If the student has work in progress but hasn't submitted, you can manually submit it on their behalf and use the Submit button. If a student has submitted, you can hover over this button to manually unsubmit, allowing them to resume work or reassign the activity. The Student Work column displays the student's results. For assignments requiring manual grading, a pencil icon will appear once the assignment has been submitted. Click this icon to access and grade the assignment. The eye icon allows you to preview the student's work before submission. This is useful for reviewing their progress and addressing any questions they might have. Hovering over a student's score shows their earned points. Click the score to adjust it if applicable. To leave feedback for a student on their assignment, click on the speech bubble in the feedback column. A pop-up window with a text box will appear. Enter your feedback and click Save. Click on the pencil icon to manually grade the assignment. The top navigation bar of the assignment displays the student name, assignment name, and various grading settings. Use the toggles to focus on specific items that require your attention. Show Only Manual Scored Items focuses on questions with points that require your grading. Show Only Unscored Items displays questions that haven't been graded yet. If your student uses the notepad, you will be able to see their notes by toggling to Show Student Notepad, which can be helpful for gaining insights or context while grading. Next to the toggles, there's a drop-down which controls the Highlights and Notes feature. Select Teacher to create highlights or notes for your students. Use the Highlight Options menu to select the highlight color or sticky note. Then select the text you would like to annotate. For each question, you could see the student's answers on the left. On the right side, the Score tab offers two ways to navigate your grading. Use the Previous Item and Next Item buttons to move through individual questions for the same student, or use the Previous Student or Next Student buttons to grade each student's response to the same question before moving on to the next question. Enter the point value in the points box to assign a score. If the score is correct, click on Give Full Credit for quick grading. The usage information below the point shows the time the student spent on the question. Add your comments to the teacher comments box to share feedback with the student. Keyboard shortcut information is available by hovering over the View Key Commands icon. Once you finish grading, click Next to view a summary of the student's performance. Click Save to finalize the grading, then exit to return to the grade review page. After you have completed grading an assignment, the assignment status column reads Graded and the student work column displays the percent score. The buttons on the top right of the screen allows you to take additional actions regarding your assignment. Use the Go To Content button to navigate directly to the learning path where the assignment oriented. You can view other assignments and resources from the same unit or section. Clicking Export creates a .csv file for the report that will be sent to your email. You can export a summary of the grade report for a detailed analysis of results for each individual question. Use the Assign button to directly assign the same activity to additional class or classes, group or groups, or individual students. A window allows you to adjust the assignment settings before assigning it out. The Details view offers a breakdown of each student's performance on individual questions with the assignment. You can use the non-scrollable items toggle to hide items like directions and learning objective screens. The legend at the top right explains the meaning of each icon and color used in the detailed breakdown. The Details page also provides insights on students' usage. Here you can see under the Usage column how long each student spent working on the assignment. Clicking on a student's score or the pencil icon will allow you to adjust the student's score if applicable, or review and grade the manually graded questions. You can exclude an item from a graded assignment either for all students in the course or for an individual student. Make sure the assignment status is closed. If not, change the status from graded to closed. Once you have done this, click the question number you want to exclude, then select Exclude this item from score to remove the question. Afterwards, make sure to change the assignment status back to graded. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about GW Ignite. Remember, if you have additional questions about working on your course, navigate to your Help tab for additional step-by-step instructions. Watch the next video to learn more about how reporting works in GW Ignite.